friend, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm going to be doing a wig revival video for you guys. It's been a while since I did one of these videos, so I just wanted to show you how I revive my wig and also how I'm able to maintain it over time. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looks after the initial install and then how it looks after I've worn it for 14 days straight through. You see that? You see the tangling? You see how it's clumping up together? I'm going to show you guys how you can get rid of that. So this is going to be the Sensational Kinky Straight 24 unit. It's going to be in the color number 2, and this is from the Sensational Curls and Kinks line, so it does have the kinky edges. So first I'm just going to go in with my Femme Silkening Mist. This is a heat protectant and it also adds a natural shine and luster to the wig. Then I'm going to go in with my brush blow dryer on the low heat setting and just start brushing the hair and letting that product disperse through the hair. And this is just going to be a super quick and easy revival method, you guys. So this is going to be easy for somebody who's a beginner with wigs, somebody who's looking to quickly revive their wigs and doesn't want to take a bunch of time to just like use fabric softener, wash it, and do all that extensive stuff. So this is going to be super easy, especially if you're somebody who's in a rush. You're trying to get ready for work and you just want your wig to be ready to go without needing to do a bunch of extra stuff. This is going to be some of the steps that you want to take, and this is really good too if you are trying to revive a yaki unit, just because if you use this blow dry brush, it allows you to still keep that texture intact without needing to go in with a flat iron or anything like that. You're able to keep the texture intact and still get rid of those snags that you're going to be noticing with time with these units. So you see, with just these couple simple steps that I've already taken, you can already see the effect that it's having with the hair. It's already coming back to life. I'm already getting rid of those snags. That stiffness is falling right away. And you guys, hands down, this has to be, so far, probably my favorite unit of the year, honestly. Like I said, this is 14 days later. I've been wearing this wig back to back, and so far throughout this year, this has been my #1 go-to unit. You guys know I'm always on a mission to find a consistent, easy throw on and go wig that stands the test of time, and this is definitely going to be it. Especially for the fact that this one, the price is going to be $43.93, so I feel like you can't go wrong with a price like this for a synthetic unit with these amazing edges that you don't have to do any customization to. So now I'm just going to go in with my Simply Stylin' Pure Silicone Spray, and this is going to help add some of that bounce back to the unit. It's going to help add some of that texture back to the unit. This is like my holy grail when it comes to wig revival in general, especially with getting rid of any tangling. And I'm just brushing that through the wig with my detangling brush. And you see that, you can already see it coming back to life. You see that natural luster that's popping off. Look at this. So simple, so easy, you guys. Very minimal steps that you need to take in order to get your wig to come back to life. Like, look at this. I didn't have to wash this. I didn't have to add no fabric softener. I didn't have to wait for it to air dry overnight. And now I'm just showing you guys it on my head. And as you can see, I did still get a couple snags here and there, but honestly, I feel like I cannot complain. $43.93, you guys. 14 days of wearing and still stretching her out at this very moment. This wig has to be doing it for me, you guys. Sensational absolutely knew what they were doing when it came to this collection. The quality of the hair overall, I just feel like is really good. The fact that it's synthetic and I'm able to still have it looking like this after 14 days of consistent wear, you guys. And when I say consistent wear, I do mean I'm sleeping in it, I'm tying it up in a bonnet, so I mean 14 days straight through and not taking it off and extending the lifetime or anything like that. I feel like that's my way of testing out the true integrity of a unit, is if I'm able to consistently wear it back to back to back without taking it off, putting it back on. Like, how hardcore is this unit? How much can it really stand up to the test of me putting it through its paces? And I feel like me consistently wearing it and even sleeping on it, wrapping it up properly, of course, I feel like that really goes to show you just how good of the quality of this synthetic wig is. So I feel like you absolutely can't go wrong with this wig itself. With this collection itself, just the integrity of the hair is great. The fact that I was able to revive it, honey, absolutely yes. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I'm able to maintain my wigs. So I just wanted to show you guys these two products that were sent to me from Yanni Best, and they're available on Amazon. So the first is going to be this black double layer satin bonnet with a tie band. The satin bonnet is going to have double layers and an adjustable elastic edge to keep it from slipping during the night, which is great, which I've tested out for myself, and I did like the fact that it doesn't slide off during the night. Even though I was sleeping on the pillowcase they sent me, which is going to be a black butter satin pillowcase, and it comes in a 2-pack, and these are going to be queen size. Inside the box, you're going to see it's going to come with those 2 queen size satin pillowcases and a gift of 2 satin scrunchies. And what I did like about these pillowcases is the fact that they do come with a zipper, so you don't have to worry about your pillow sliding out of it. The texture of it was super soft, and I've been sleeping on these daily, so I definitely am a fan of the material of them as well as the material on the bonnet itself. So as you can see, the bonnet does have that tie band. The tie band is going to come with these really long strings, which is helpful because you're going to use that to tie it up and make sure that it's secured and kept in place. So to go ahead and secure that on your head, all you're going to do is place it on your head. You're going to have those ties going towards the back, and then you're going to just want to crisscross them, and then you're going to want to pull them towards the front of your head and tie them in a bow just so that it's out of your face and out of your way, and this is just going to help secure it on your head. And then after you do that, it's pretty much good to go. Now that it's just tied in place, you don't have to worry about it slipping and sliding off your head while you're sleeping, especially if you're going to be pairing this with the satin pillowcase. So this is going to be key when it comes to maintaining your hair, you guys. You're going to want to be wrapping it up in a satin bonnet, and especially if your satin bonnet slides off, you want to make sure you have satin pillowcases just to make sure that your hair is protected. As far as the cap construction of it, I feel like it's fantastic. So this is the way that I am able to maintain my wigs, you guys. 14 days, like I said, this is the consistent nightly routine that I go through. I put my hair in a ponytail and I twist it up into a bun. And then for maintaining the unit, I'm just gonna go in with this bonnet. It has a good amount of stretch to it. If you have a lot of hair that you're trying to preserve underneath the bonnet, it's fantastic for that. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other things that you guys want me to pick up, any units, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.